Essential tips for construction supplies. Welcome to our video on ISF submission for construction supplies. In this episode, we will explore the specific considerations and requirements associated with importer security filing, ISF, for importing construction supplies. Whether you are a customs broker, an importer, or simply interested in understanding the ISF process for construction supply imports, this video will provide you with valuable insights. Let's dive in. Construction supply imports involve the importation of various materials and equipment needed for construction projects. These supplies can include items such as building materials, tools, machinery, electrical components, plumbing supplies, and more. Importing construction supplies requires compliance with customs regulations, including the requirement for an ISF submission. ISF plays a crucial role in the importation of construction supplies. The importer security filing requires importers to submit specific information about the imported goods to U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, prior to the cargo being loaded onto the vessel. ISF helps ensure the security and compliance of imported construction supplies. Importers of construction supplies must gather the necessary information required for the ISF submission. This includes details such as the shipper, consignee, manufacturer, product descriptions, quantities, and the Harmonized System (HS) codes that accurately represent the imported supplies. Accurate classification of construction supplies is crucial for ISF submission. Importers must assign the appropriate Harmonized System (HS) codes that accurately represent the nature and characteristics of the supplies being imported. Proper classification ensures compliance with customs regulations and facilitates smooth customs clearance. Importers of construction supplies must determine the port of discharge, which is the designated U.S. port where the cargo will be unloaded and go through customs clearance. The determination of the port of discharge is essential for accurate ISF submission and efficient customs processes. To ensure compliance with ISF requirements, importers must complete the ISF form accurately. The ISF form captures essential information, such as the importer of record, consignee, product descriptions, quantities, and other necessary data related to the construction supplies being imported. Importers of construction supplies must submit the ISF in a timely manner. The ISF form should be submitted at least 24 hours before the cargo is laden onto the vessel. Timely submission ensures compliance with customs regulations and allows CBP officials to review the information prior to cargo arrival. In addition to the ISF submission, importers of construction supplies must comply with any additional regulatory requirements specific to the imported goods. This may involve obtaining permits, certificates, or licenses from relevant agencies and ensuring adherence to specific regulations governing the supplies. Proper preparation and accuracy of documents are essential for ISF submission. Importers should ensure that all required documents, such as commercial invoices, packing lists, bills of lading, and any certifications or licenses, are available and accurately represent the imported construction supplies. Collaborating with experienced customs brokers is highly recommended for importing construction supplies. Customs brokers possess knowledge of customs regulations, documentation requirements, and procedural intricacies. They can provide guidance in ISF submission, ensure compliance, and facilitate smooth customs processes. Continuous education and compliance awareness are crucial for importers. Staying informed about customs regulations, industry updates, and best practices for ISF submission enhances importers' understanding of the requirements and helps maintain compliance with customs regulations. Importers should conduct self-audits and compliance monitoring to ensure continued compliance with customs regulations. This involves reviewing internal processes, record-keeping practices, and documentation to identify any potential areas of improvement and ensure accurate ISF submission. Importers should regularly review and improve internal procedures for ISF submission. Assessing workflows, data management systems, and collaboration with customs brokers can lead to more accurate and efficient ISF submission processes. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll continue to explore customs brokerage and international trade topics.